Alright, so let's do your nighttime skincare routine. I've got a variety of masks you can choose from today, so we will probably do that at the very end. But in the meantime, we can do some skincare prep. We can even do a tiny bit of hair oiling. I do have a little hair oil in case you want some, like some rosemary. And then you should be ready to go. Oh yeah, no problem. I'm just exhausted, girl, so let's just do this, shall we? Okay, so let me start. I'm going to just kind of move your hair back a little bit here. Let's see, let me grab my headband. Let's kind of move your bangs here a little bit. Just use bangs. Let's put this around here. Alright, so we're going to start with hydration first. You cleanse your face really well. That wasn't too particularly convincing. Let me just do a quick spray then. And then wipe you down here just to make sure there's no makeup residue or anything. It's not that I don't trust you, but you just seemed really unsure when I asked that question, so yeah, wasn't particularly a fan of the uncertainty. Okay, cool. Okay. Alright, now let's just go in with some hydration. We'll go in with some grape water here. Whoops. Okay. Don't mind me. Okay. Nice and hydrating. Cool. Okay. Alright, we've got that. Let's go in with another mister. This is just aloe, herbs, and rose water. Okay. So your skin is going to get like such a nice refresh. Let me kind of pat that in. Your face smells good too, so that's nice. Alright, let's go in. Do the moisturizer last. Let's go in with the serums first. So, okay, got a couple options here. Let me see. I'm gonna go in with this one though. This is like a night serum. I'm just going to rub that in for you. Perfect. Next up, we're gonna go in with like a little baby facial, whatever that means. It always surprises me that you still keep coming back to these for me to do them because of the fact that I don't know what I'm doing. But I love that for you, girl. Love it. I try my best, I guess. I'm gonna have to wipe my hands here with all the stuff we're putting on it. Okay. Next up, we have our moisturizer. It's water facial. Marriage. Perfect. A little bit more. You're just a little bit drier up here. Perfect. All right. So I think that would be it with the skincare stuff before we put a face mask. So let's go over our face mask options for you. So we have just an eye mask if you didn't want something for your entire face. So something to think about. We have this hologram face mask sheet. We have this printed face sheet mask. You leave that one on for about 20 minutes. We have a bubble tea face mask. This one you only have to leave on for 5 to 10. So I'm not sure if that matters too much to you. And then we have the shaper face masks. So let me open this. Take one out here for you. For delicate skin. And this you would keep on for like 10 to 20 minutes. So between those, whether it's just an eye mask or one of the printed face masks, do you have a preference? I mean, honestly, they all seem great. I'm trying to think of what might be the best, like, for night. Do you want to just do a hologram one? It's really, like, beautiful. Let me leave it on for 20 minutes. There's vitamin C. It's like a collagen and vitamin C. Plumps, brighten skin. What do you think? And this one. Cool choice. Love that. Okay, let's do that then. Oh, you know how I feel when I touch these icky face masks. Ooh. Okay. I should really treat myself to one of these, honestly. I saved them all for you, but like, I should give one of these a go. But, you know, I always put you first, you know what I mean? Oh, love that. Okay. Alright, let's just put this on, shall we? Alright. Let's kind of press that in. Does that feel pretty secure on you? Yep, nice and sticky. Okay, just a little hole here. Okay. Okay. Yep, it seems to be well embedded in there. All right. You let me know if it starts burning or tingling, because that's not normal. Last part here, I'll put a little bit of hair oil for you. I'm a little short, so let me just stretch my leg here. Sorry. Oh, wait, let's put a little bit of chapstick first, actually, since that's not part of your mask. There you go. Cute little chapstick did its job. Let's put the hair oil for you. I will massage in it, and then you just have to wash it out tomorrow morning. let me massage all that oil in for you. Alright, let me take this off for you. And then your hair oiling is done. That face mask needs to be on for like 20 minutes or so. And then you should be good to go for your nighttime skincare essentials, I think. Oh yeah, not a problem at all. I'm gonna go take a nice relaxing shower before Idris wakes up.